Good job. Easy. Good job. You gonna feed her?
Go Kiva.
Good. Yeah, Kiva, eat.
Good picture.
Good job, Violet. Can you feed her some from your hand?
You grab some. There you go.
There you go.
Kiva.
No, not on the ground. Feed her from your hand, okay?
Hold your hand out, Violet.
Hold your hand. Good job.
There you go.
Good job. Let's keep it in the bowl, okay? Clean up, clean up. There you go, Kiva. Good job, Violet. Good girl, Kiva. Good job, Violet. Clean up. You want to give those to Kiva? Hold your hand. Hold your hand out for her.
No.
Hold your hand out for her.
No. I'll clean up.
Oh, clean up. Okay. And put it in the bowl for her. Good job.
Scoop it up, Lucky. Scoop it up, Lucky. Scoop it up.